And we are live. So welcome to the stock market update for February 6th. So this is your stock market update in 5 minutes or less. Let's get started. What happened in the markets today? Markets finished slightly lower. So stocks snap a 5-day losing streak. Yesterday, all eyes were on the State of the Union address from President Trump. But today, markets seemed rather unimpressed. Let's take a look at the markets to see what was happening here. All right, so here we see, oops, need to move this a little bit up. Here we go. That's how you know that we are live. Okay, perfect. Need to scoot a little bit lower. There we go. Good. We see the Dow Jones here, and you see overall today, pretty lackluster trading. So this is where we opened this morning, and we jumped all around throughout the day here. As you can see, not a whole much movement. Same for the S&P. The Dow, first of all, ended with a 20-point loss. S&P was in one of the smallest ranges that we have seen in quite a while here. As you can see, quite some swings in the open, but then overall just a lackluster trading going sideways. The S&P down 6 points or 0.22%. NASDAQ also down here, very similar picture as you can see. We opened, plunged down, recovered a little bit, and then we're lackluster trading for the rest of the day. So what did move the markets today? Nothing, as you can see, no news coming out. There was one company though that surprised us overall, and let me switch back here to the daily charts, and the company that surprised today was Snapchat. Let's take a look at this. Snapchat reported earnings. Well, I'm going to get rid of this here real quick. Snapchat reported earnings, and yes, they reported a loss, but the loss was not as large as expected. Investors expected a loss of 7 cents per share. Snapchat reported a loss of 3 cents per share. So therefore, everybody, yoo-hoo, up 22%. How is this making sense? Well, again, this is where trade what you see, not what you think. So, what to expect from the markets tomorrow? Talking about earnings tomorrow, before the bell, Twitter will report earnings. So this is where everybody will take a look at Twitter, see what happens tomorrow morning. As you can see today, Twitter was closing slightly down 0.6%, but they're reporting earnings before the bell, and we'll see what happens there. We switch back to the video here since I'm a little bit cut off. So what else can we expect from the markets tomorrow? Well, tonight, Fed Chairman Powell will speak. It is tonight at 7 o'clock, and we'll see what he says. Usually when he speaks, we can expect the market is reacting somewhat to this, depending on what he says. So this is a wild card that we need to keep an eye on. And the third thing that we need to pay attention to tomorrow, the jobs report. So tomorrow we have jobless claims coming in. Jobless claims are being released an hour before the markets open, and we will see if there are any surprises that could move the markets. All right, so there you go. This is what happened today in the markets and what to expect tomorrow. Tomorrow is tomorrow is Thursday, the 7th, February 7th. So we shall see what the markets are doing. Right now, I'm still in Puerto Rico, where we have our Rockwell Freedom Mastermind. So I'm trading live here with a group of students. This afternoon, we have been out on a boat. So I rented a catamaran for everybody, and we had a beautiful sunset cruise. If you would like to learn more on the way on how we trade and what we do, join us at one of our boot camps. They are free, and we have them all around the country. Go to bootcamp.rockwelltrading.com, and you'll see the upcoming dates and times, and also where we are. Sign up there, join us, and we'll show you exactly how we pick the stocks, when we enter, what our criteria for entering the stock, how do we exit by limiting our losses, and also knowing when to take profits off the table. So there you go. This was your stock market update for today, Wednesday, February 6th. Have a great day, and I'll see you again tomorrow.